Good morning, T-Birds.
I'm Leah.
And I'm Jennifer. Today is Friday, December 13, 2024, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
On December 17th, we have Native Club during both lunches in room 2706.
The JROTC is holding canned food drive. This takes place during your first period. If your class ends up winning, then you'll get a pizza party. Be sure to bring some non-expired canned food for your first period of class.
ASB is holding a fundraiser today during both lunches and will be selling holiday popcorn for $2 a bag, and an additional $1 to add on holiday-inspired toppings.
Speaking of ASB, they are looking to give back to the community this season, so they will be granting your winter wishes. They will be granting 20 to 25 wishes they receive. Make sure your wish does not exceed $25 in value, or else they cannot grant it. Remember that this is a raffle and you have a chance to win with no cost and nothing to lose. ASB will be granting and delivering these wishes next week before the break. These forms need to be returned into your third period teacher today.
Miss Seiler and Miss Brown have started a collaboration wall in the 900 hallway for December and January. Pick up a star or circle from their classrooms and decorate it festively. Return your finished artwork to Miss Brown or Miss Seiler to get your work hung up on the wall.
Let's head to Kamari for today's sport and weather report.
So for today, we got a girls basketball game home against Silas. Varsity's at 7:30. And then we got a boys basketball game at Silas. Varsity's at 7:30. Go support both games. And we got a wrestling match at Kennewick High School at 10 a.m. And then for Friday and for this weekend, we got high 46, low 37. We got Saturday, high 49, low 40. We got Sunday, high 47, low 38. And then Monday is high 45, low 38. It's going to be raining all week. Make sure you guys dress accordingly. And back to the desk.
Thank you. Speaking of sports, there was a school bowling record set against Capital yesterday. Anaya G scored 201. She will be moved up into the top of the district. Also, girls bowling team took a set from the top team in the district.
Students who have registered to take the world language test should check their Outlook email and or see Mr. Saller right away to get scheduled to test. Time is running out.
Some of our reporters went out and asked teachers about their dream vacation. Let's check it out.
Good morning, T-Birds. I'm Tyrell, and I'm here with
Mr. Juma.
Mr. Treblecock.
Coach Rowe.
What's your dream vacation?
My dream vacation would probably be a tropical island, nice hot weather, beautiful beach, no people around.
And why is that?
Because I don't like people. No, I'm kidding. But honestly, because I would like the peace. I'd like the peace and quiet, and I really want to scuba dive in that water.
Sounds fun. Yeah.
Right now, I think I would love to do a cruise of the Mediterranean.
Why?
It's beautiful, there's history, and it's warm.
Right. Thank you very much.
My dream vacation is to go to Puerto Rico and meet my family, and Hawaii and meet my family there.
Sounds nice. You guys going to do anything fun over there? Or just family time?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
I've never been there, so I'm going to experience it.
All right. Thank you very much.
Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in again. I'm Leah.
And I'm Jennifer. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-Bird, always a T-Bird. Have a great day.